All right, I've asked you to come into B-Timer to watch this video because you performed a little bit below um, our proficient level on the one that we took the other day on periodic table thing on our guru. So I just want to make sure and go over this. It's kind of Saturday, so I'm going to try and hurry. Got driver's ed in about 10 more minutes. So here we go. This is just from the back page of your lab book. In my lab book that I had on that I just opened up, that file, it might be the different numbers right here, 85 through 90, but we're talking about square 53. So 53, we would be talking about this element right here. So you would want to go and find that element on your periodic table, and we'll notice it's just right here. All right, and that's pretty covered and pretty fuzzed up, but find that on your periodic table that you have, and that is iodine. So let me erase some stuff just so we can see it a little bit better, but let's just go ahead and answer these questions. So what period is the element in? Make sure you remember the periods are these horizontal rows. So we go over here. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. Hold on. We go over here, and iodine lives right there, so it is in period 5. Periods mean the rows. What is the name of the family that it belongs to? All right, this periodic table doesn't have it, but on yours it should say halogens right here. All right, so iodine. This isn't correlated to my finger very well, but iodine, we would say the name of the family is the halogens or halogens. All right, is it brittle, malleable, or neither? All right, this question has to do with the notes on page number 6. And brittle is a property of a nonmetal. Malleable is a property of a metal. And then neither, that's just a property when the substance is a gas at room temperature. So we got to look over. And iodine is right here. We did not color it as a gas or a liquid, but we do know it's on the nonmetal side of the periodic table. So we would say it has a property of a nonmetal, which is brittle. All right, next question, 88 or whatever it is on your lab book. Is it toxic? It's very hard to see probably, but if you look in this square, there is a T right there. The T stands for toxic, so we would say yes. Is it a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid? Since it lives on this side of the staircase, it's a non-metal. And then, excuse me, sorry about that. Is it solid, liquid, or gas? It's not colored as a liquid. It's not colored as a gas, so it must be a solid. So we would call that good. All right, let's do another one. All right, so this time we're talking about the element in square 37. All right, if we look on our periodic table, element 37 is right here. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one down in the first family. So that would mean the 5th period, family 1. So we're talking about rubidium, Rb. All right, so is this element shiny? Once again, if you don't know these, you need to look at your notes on page 6, and that will give you the properties of metals and nonmetals. And things that are shiny are metallic. So over here, remember this staircase. Over here are the metals. Here are the nons. So if rubidium's way over here, it's super metallic. So is the element shiny? That is a yes. What is the name of the family? Once again, the name would be right here. I don't have it written on this one. I just cut it. I was kind of dumb on my... It's alkali metals. All right, so that would be here. Is it brittle? No, because it's not a nonmetal. Is it malleable? Yes, because it is a metal and it's not a gas at room or liquid, so that's not either. All right, 81, will it conduct? Metals do conduct, so yes. Is it a metal? You bet it is. We've been saying that the whole time because it lives on the left. All right, then let's do density arrows. Maybe these are some you're struggling with. All right, density. The density arrow here on mine is red. So as I go lower, the density gets bigger, and as I go towards the middle, the density gets bigger. So here we go. Is the density of 37 higher or lower than element 3? All right, so since element 37 is down on the periodic table underneath this, we will say it has a higher density. Because according to this arrow, as we get lower, the density increases. All right, let's look at number 84. Is the density of 37 again higher or lower than element 47? All right, remember, density increases as we go towards the middle. So since this is more in the middle, this one would be more dense. So to answer this question, 37 would be less dense than 47. I don't know. Hopefully this was helpful. There's a few more homework problems. Maybe, on the quiz you just didn't quite get the right answers, but hopefully this was helpful. Good luck, and try and complete the rest of your homework during B time, and I'll walk around and check it.